Military aviation is usually regarded as the most important combat air force of any state. It is mainly used to counter harmful enemy weapons, as well as to capture and maintain air and battlefield dominance. Today we will analyze the most expensive military aircraft in the world top 5. 5th place, multi-purpose aircraft with a tilt propeller V-22. The V-22 Osprey multi-purpose aircraft is an inclined rotorcraft jointly designed and manufactured by Bell and Boeing in the United States. It has the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a conventional helicopter, and its control system can change the size of the main rotor lift and the direction of the tilt of the main rotor lift to keep the aircraft in the air or change its flight state. The rotorcraft also has the advantages of higher speed, longer range, and lower fuel consumption than rotary wing aircraft. With speeds up to 500 kilometers per hour, it is the fastest helicopter in the world. The unit cost of the V-22 is $118 million. 4th place fighter F-35 Lightning II. The F-35, also nicknamed by military fans Lightning II, is a single-seat, single-shot, all-weather fighter and 5th-generation multi-role fighter with high stealth and advanced electronic systems with supersonic cruise capabilities. At the same time, the F-35 is also the world's largest single-seat carrier-based fighter, and the world's only 5th-generation carrier-based fighter. The F-35 is mainly used for various missions such as support, bombing target, and interception. As a result of the design, 3 samples of fighters were created. The F-35A is a traditional fighter aircraft that takes off from a runway. Upgraded F-35B designed for short-range takeoff with vertical takeoff and landing, and F-35C, which are carrier-based aircraft. The unit cost of the F-35 Lightning II is $154 million. 3rd place, C-17 Strategic Transport Aircraft. The C-17 transport aircraft is a strategic military transport aircraft designed and built for the U.S. Air Force. This is a military transport aircraft with short takeoff and landing range, which has both strategic and tactical air transport capabilities in the modern world. The total production of the C-17 is about 300, the last of which was officially delivered to the U.S. Air Force on September 2, 2013. However, despite being out of production for 7 years, the C-17 is still the most efficient transport aircraft in the world today. The maximum takeoff weight of the transport aircraft can reach 285 tons, with a maximum load of 77 tons, and the flight range is more than 4,000 kilometers with a cargo compartment of more than 25 meters. The performance of the C-17 is significantly higher than other countries in terms of throughput, as is the high price of each C-17. According to 2010 data, one of them will cost $328 million, but due to its high transport capacity, there are still many countries that want to buy it. In addition to the U.S. Air Force, the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, and India are also equipped with aircraft of this type. The unit cost of C-17 is $328 million. 2nd F-22. The codenamed F-22 was developed by the famous Scrap Skunk Factory. This is the world's first 5th-generation aircraft with a single-seat, twin-engine, and highly stealth mechanism. It entered service with the United States Air Force one after the other in the early 2000s, to replace the previous generation's flagship model, the F-15 fighter. Many of the characteristics of the F-22 are considered the benchmark for fifth-generation aircraft, being the first fighter to combine high maneuverability with high stealth capabilities. It is also the first United States Air Force combat aircraft to use thrust vectoring, and it is also the world's first fighter aircraft that can fly at supersonic speeds without afterburner. Then U.S. President Bill Clinton called the fighter the catalyst for the aviation revolution. The unit cost of the F-22 is $350 million. First place bomber B-2 Ghost. The B-2 is the only stealth bomber in service in the world, the most advanced bomber in the world, and the most expensive aircraft in the world. Without aerial refueling, the B-2 can have a combat range of 12,000 kilometers, and with aerial refueling, the range can reach a considerable 18,000 kilometers. The U.S. Air Force claims to have global arrival and global destruction capabilities. Due to the high cost of the B-2 project, the U.S. Air Force only equipped the Army with 21 aircraft. The unit cost of the F-22 B-2 Ghost is $2,400 million US dollars.